4, keep your chest engaged. 3 more, push through. Last 2, and release. Rest. We're moving into the arms triangle fly. Keep smiling, keep that core tight. We start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squeeze and release. Keep moving with control. We are halfway there. Rest. The next move is the arms lift with crossover. Follow along with me, and we begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Keep crossing those arms, you're doing great. Breathe through it, keep your pace steady. Extend those arms high, and that's halfway, you're doing great, keep going. Rest. Let's get started with the arms fly and palm press. Keep those elbows up and pulse it out. Squeeze and release, you've got this. Let's go. Press those palms together firmly, then release outward. Keep the movement rhythmic and controlled. You're doing great, halfway there. Keep the tension and maintain that intensity. Excellent work, everyone. We're taking our first brief rest period now. Hydrate if you need to, and I'll see you back here in 10 seconds. Next up is the arms triangle fly. Place your hands behind your head and widen your elbows. We start in 5 seconds. Keep that core tight. Keep squeezing that ring, maintain the tension. We are halfway there. Keep your core tight and breathe.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming fitness videos.
You're halfway there. Keep pushing through, maintain that form. Four, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Cross and open. Squeeze those muscles. Great job on that cycle. Next up, we have the arms fly with palm press. Bring those palms together and let's start the second round strong. Keep pulsing just like that. Halfway there. Keep pushing, we're almost done with this set. Next up is the arms triangle fly. Hands behind your head, elbows wide. And begin. Bring those elbows in and squeeze. All right, team, take a deep breath and grab some water. We've got 10 seconds until we crush the final exercises. We're starting the arms lift with crossover in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Lift and cross, keep your core engaged. Let's go. Halfway there. Keep it up, maintain that form, and breathe through the movement. Final move, team. Arms fly with a strong palm press. Power through this last 5 seconds. Last one. We're starting in 5. Press those palms together, keep the tension high. Squeeze, squeeze, and release. Great job. Let's go. Halfway there. Keep that tension strong in your palms and maintain your form. Don't forget to breathe. All right, first set complete. Let's take a quick rest. Hydrate if you need to, and we'll get ready for the next move in 10 seconds. All right, team, get ready for the arms triangle fly. We start in 5. Keep smiling, stay strong, and begin. Halfway there, team. Keep your core tight and maintain the rhythm. Don't give up now.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
Let's go. Woo. Yo. Yo. Keep that pace up. You're halfway there. Let's go. All right, team, get ready for the arms cross chest fly. Extend those arms and let's cross it out. Keep that energy up. Let's go. Whoa. Woo. Ah. Woo. All right, let's reset for cycle 2. We have the arms fly with palm press coming up, hands together, and let's go. Let's go. Keep those forearms pulsing. We are halfway there. Push through the burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Bring those hands together and press back strong. You got this, team. Keep pulling back. Maintain the tension. You are halfway there. Keep pushing. We have 10 seconds left. Great work on that last set. Take this time to catch your breath and grab a quick sip of water before we move on. All right, team, let's get ready for the arms lift with crossover. Core tight, shoulders back, and lift. Cross it over, control the movement. Let's go. Keep pushing, everyone. We are halfway there. Maintain that steady pace, arms high and strong. Next up, we have the arms cross chest fly. Get ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Halfway there, team. Keep the tension on those bands, chest open, shoulders back. Don't stop now, almost done. Last round, let's go. And that's the end of the rest. Next up, we have the triangle fly. Let's get into position and hit this final set. Let's go. Getting ready for the final set. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's start the arms lift with crossover. Keep your core tight and breathe. This is the final round of diagonal lifts. Keep your movements rhythmic and sharp. We are halfway there, stay focused. This is it, the final countdown of your rest period. Shake it out, grab a quick sip. We have one exercise left to complete this 10-day challenge. And we're starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Cross it out. Come on, last one, best one. Last one, give it your best. Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Keep up the great work. If you want faster results, make sure to do this every day for the next 30 days. See you in the next challenge. I recommend the slim back workout or the bus lift challenge next. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more. That wraps up our session. Please hit that like button and comment to support us. Your next workout is ready when you are. Welcome to another free home workout video. Let's get started with the arms fly and palm press. Keep pulsing right here. Squeeze, squeeze. You've got 5 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. You're doing great halfway through this set. Really focus on squeezing the chest as you press your palms. All right, team, next up we have the arms triangle fly, starting in 5, 4, 2, bring those elbows together. Let's go. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Keep your back straight and core tight. Great job, we are halfway there. Quick rest, everyone. Catch your breath and grab some water. We start the next movement in 10. Let's finish strong.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos.
Let's go. Halfway there. Keep pushing, maintain that steady rhythm. Next up, we have the arms cross chest fly. Keep your arms strong and controlled as you bring them across your chest. Let's finish strong. Let's go. And open. Cross and open. That's it. Keep going. We are halfway there. Keep pushing. All right, take a deep breath during this rest. Next up, we have the arms fly with palm press. Keep that core tight and let's finish strong. Let's go. All right, next up is the arms triangle fly. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Let's go. Great job, everyone. Take a quick sip of water during this rest period. We only have a few seconds before we hit the final cycle. Stay focused. Get ready for your second set of arms lifts with crossover. Keep that core tight and let's finish strong. Keep moving, everyone. We are officially halfway there. Stay focused on that crossover motion. Control the movement. All right, team. Next up is the arms cross chest fly. Get ready during the countdown. Let's go. Squeeze that chest. Let's go. Arms cross chest fly. Keep that pace rhythmic. Awesome job. We are halfway through this final set. Keep those shoulders relaxed and your chest open as you pull back. Last round, let's go. You're halfway there. This is the final set, so give me maximum effort. Keep pressing, don't stop now. Great job finishing that set. Catch your breath during this rest period. Next up, we have the arms triangle fly. We start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. We're starting the final crossover challenge now. Get ready and let's move. Come on, this is the final round. Keep those movements sharp and focused. Power through. Final rest period, everyone. Take a sip of water, take a breath. The timer is almost at 0, so let's get ready for this very last exercise. Last one, give it your best.